sitting down to write your cookbook, what is the process?
I think all the time having in mind, who's going to use this? Who's going to read it? Why are they going to read it? What do they want out of it? You know, like I've read some books from some really, really high-powered, amazing chefs, and I know pretty much how to cook, and I'm on about line 27, and I'm going, I'm lost.
Yeah.
I've got no idea where I'm supposed to be or what. And I look at the picture and then the picture and that, and I'm still lost.
It's all about making them trust you.
Absolutely. So you're not preaching, but you're actually just providing solutions.
But you've got to provide that invitation to come in, don't you?
Absolutely, and that invitation is about the cover of that book and the title and the theme and what makes it compelling.
Yeah.
Deciding what I want to cook in the book, that's not the hard bit. It's actually coming up with a title, it's coming up with a theme, and they've really put me into a funny place about my cookbook idea. I'd start feeling quite upset.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Josh.
How are you?
Yeah, feeling the pressure.
This means a lot to you, doesn't it?
It does. It means so much. I'm really teary at the moment because I'm so passionate. It's everything to me.
Yeah.
And I probably don't know how to express that, but I try. And well, how I express it is through food.
You've given up a hell of a lot to be here.
I've given up a huge amount. My baby's turned 1. She's walking. I've never seen her walk.
How are you going to feel if you don't win and you go home today?
I'm going to feel absolutely gutted. I know I can do it. It's just absolutely a strength inside of myself. I know I can get there.
So what are we cooking?
I'm cooking a seared tuna niçoise with an anchovy dressing, red curry snapper with lots of beautiful fresh aromatic herbs, and the ginger chill, like a brandy snap basket almost, with mascarpone, lemon curd and fresh raspberries.
Let's hope it's you're not on the way home today, eh?
Well, I hope not.
Stay focused.
Yep.
Calm.
Yep.
Relaxed.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, I've got a double yoker. That's exciting. That must be good luck, right?
Hey, Chelsea.
Hello. Hi, Annabel.
You got your book idea crystal clear in your mind?
I do, yes.
Who's your audience?
My audience is all New Zealanders that...
All New Zealanders will want to buy that, is that right?
I hope so.
Yeah.
You know,
Why will they buy your book?
well, my book's going to be called From the Heart. Each recipe has its own little section written by me, a little sort of intro, sort of saying, you know, where the inspiration came from, a memory perhaps associated with that
So there's
recipe.
a little story to each recipe.
Yep.
Yeah.
And in terms of the recipes themselves, what's your sort of mantra behind that?
Fresh, simple food, letting the produce speak for itself. Strong, clear flavours, not too hard to make, that looks beautiful on a plate.
Right.
Cool.
Well, I really hope I can impress you, I really do.
Good luck.
Thank you. 2 double yokers in one day. That's either really good or really bad sign.
We're exactly halfway through, everybody. Hope you're feeling like you're halfway done.
With the chicken dish, I make my peri-peri sauce, which is an African/Portuguese sauce. It's basically a spicy sour chili sauce. It's delicious. And I get out those big syringes and start injecting flavour into the chicken, which is, I've never played with those before, but I reckon they're an awesome thing.
I knew you'd do something completely crazy at some stage.
I've never used these before, so first time for everything.
So, you know, I've just got home from work. I've got Tony's cookbook out.
Yeah.
And I'm faced with a syringe. Now, if I don't have a syringe at home, how else could I do it?
Oh, look, just simply basting the chicken with the sauce is going to do the job quite nicely.
You know, masterclass, you know, often I'll do something that's a bit out there and edgy, but I'll always say, and this is how you do it at home.
This is the domestic version,
You've got to
yeah.
give them
Yep.
an easy way out.
Yep.
You know, don't scare them off with a syringe.
Fair call.
"45 minutes left. Let's hope it's not your last 45 minutes. For one person, it will be."
I've got 2 fish pies there. I've learned in the MasterChef kitchen it's always good to have a backup, so that's why I made 2. In case I drop one or... God, anything can happen, really. So far, touch wood, everything seems to be going okay. It's just time. It's always just time. Everything can still go wrong from here. I need to get everything plated. The presentation is such an important part of this challenge that if we don't give ourselves enough time, we're in serious trouble.
What I'm worried about is getting everything up today. Time's running away from me.
You've got half an hour to go, and this is a cookbook challenge, so it's not just about cooking, it's about styling as well.
Are you feeling like you're under control?
There's always that sort of fear of not getting everything up on the plate. And I've had a couple of doozies, but I'm feeling okay at the moment. I definitely know that I want a quarter of an hour to get everything together and style it. That's what I'm
Quarter of an hour to get 3 dishes and style it. It's pretty good going.
Pretty good going.
I mean, I would think that was pretty good going, wouldn't you?
too.
Yeah.
So what have you got happening, the last things that you're doing?
I have to make my chulls. They take 8 minutes. I have to prepare my fish and then put it all together. And my tuna needs to be...
I think we should let you get on
Yeah.
with it.
Should be
I've actually got quite a lot.
The food styling element of this challenge is very important. I'm worried, I'm thinking, is this challenge going to get the best of me?
20 minutes to go, everybody, for you to present your 3 cookbook dishes. 3 does not go into 2. Somebody will be going home. Okay, Chelsea, this is something that you don't want to rush, and you look like you're a little bit flustered.
Just clearing away a space on my bench to start plating up some of my things.
You've still got 15 minutes to go, so you think you can do it?
Yes.
Okay,
I can do it.
stay calm, chilled out. Let's get over that finish line. Don't fall short.
No, don't want to do that.
Slight panic out there. 2.5 hours I've had. There's less than 15 minutes to go, and Anna's just putting a whole snapper in now. What is she doing?
What is she doing? Exactly. I mean, 12 minutes to go, and you're going to start cooking a whole fish. That is how to go home in a hurry. Chelsea's still got to put it together, a lamb salad. I'm thinking again it's going to be for Anna and Chelsea a mad panic to the finish line, whereas I think you'll find that Tony will be stood back just prior to time and he'll be all done. I think Tony's a force to be reckoned with right about now.
There's definitely no gambling going on today, is there?
The teriyaki salmon was definitely a safe bet. I knew it was something that I could cook really nicely, plate up really nicely.
10 minutes, everybody, just 10 minutes left. Anna, you're cooking a whole snapper and you've got 10 minutes to go. Is it going to be cooked in time?
Yeah.
I was worried by then. I was stepped into 4th gear. I'm hammering it. I've got 4 or 5 things on at once.
Chelsea, prawns 3 ways. You got it nailed?
Yep, the 3rd way are just coming out now.
How about your lamb salad?
Just need to put that together now.
7 minutes, girl, make it happen. Tony, no gambling today, eh? You look pretty calm and relaxed, all good?
Yeah, still a bit of an experiment running.
Wasn't happy with my green tea ice cream, so I did not serve it. But lemongrass and cafe lime ice cream was really delicious.
How's your peri-peri chicken looking?
Pretty tasty, I reckon.
Tell you what, that chicken looks good right there. Maybe that's the front cover dish.
It's sounding really promising, Simon, thank you.
15 seconds, guys. To 5 minutes to go.
Don't do that. As I'm cutting into the lamb rack to plate up, a bit of the herb crust that I've made falls off, and I don't really have time to do much about it. Hopefully the flavour's infused enough into the lamb.
Coming up to 2 minutes left. 2 minutes to go, guys. Come on, take it home.
It's a really tasty dish, this one. I just hope the judges like it. It's a rustic one.
Trying to put my dessert together, I plate the chul and I just grab a bowl. In fact, I can't even see anything because there was so much stuff everywhere.
30 seconds now.
And I realised there's no salad for the fish pie. I frantically cut up some tomatoes to see how far I can get whipping one up. But then I'm sort of thinking, I'm not going to serve the judges tomatoes and pepper and olive oil because I have a bit more respect than that.
15 seconds.
I was touch and go. It really was touch and go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away from your bench.
I really like the look of the lamb. I'm happy with the way the prawn dish looks. Yeah, the fish pie will taste amazing, but it just kind of looks a bit sad and lonely there by itself. It was meant to go on a big plate with light salad next to it, but I ran out of time to do the salad, so it's just pie. It's a double-edged sword. This is a cookbook challenge. It needs to taste good and look spectacular, so yeah, well, it was a bit of a fail.
Yeah, that was really hard. I'm sort of not very happy with my dessert. I just was kind of behind and I'm never really caught up, so I just didn't have the time that I wanted to plate up. I mean, I hope it's enough to get me there.
I think I've done well enough to stay in the competition. Yep. I thought these dishes, if they came out the way I wanted them to come out, would do the job. They've come out how I want them to come out. So I think I'm going through to the final.